Okay, we're going to change the oil in a Mitsubishi Lancer 2005. But first I'm going to talk about this oil container that I got from O'Reilly. I like this guy. It's only 10 quarts that it holds. It's definitely made in China, kind of. I like it though. It has this little screen, so you have a lot of space to catch the oil. Plus, if anything big falls, you can grab it like the nut or the oil can, and it's easy to store. I don't have that much room in this garage, so this is perfect for me. The only problem is if you're going to do a lot, you'll have to run to the auto parts store to drop off the oil frequently. So let's get to work. So the first thing you want to do is pop your hood. Okay, then we take the jack. Make sure your emergency brake is on. Probably best to chock the tires in the back. See what size wrench you're going to need. That actually looks like it's like a 15. Probably when I'm working on the car, the number one thing that I'm doing is looking for the correct tool. It's kind of annoying. Go into the car. Find the oil pan. See, it's right here. This guy. This is the oil pan. And that is the nut you need to get out. It's the plug nut. Unscrew it, and you're in business. We're not doing the filter today, but the filter is right next to it. Really easy access. Good job, Mitsubishi. Okay. Once you get your bolt loose down there, just take your oil pan, make sure that this thing's on it. Put it directly underneath where the hole is, because you're about to get a gushing amount of oil coming out of your car. So once it's completely empty, go ahead and fill it up. This car requires 5W30. Make sure you get the right weight for your car. Let's see. So just plug it up, fill it up, and you're done. Really simple. Easier than you guys thought.